What's up, everybody? My name is Benny, and this
is Haley's Kitchen, and today we're making cupcakes on Cupcake Street.
I guess we're doing cupcakes.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. So, Dad, what are the ingredients for these delicious cupcakes?
That's a great question, Haley. For these delicious cupcakes, we're going to be needing 1 ounce of butter. You gotta make sure that's room temperature and soft. It's gonna be 1 ounce of corn oil, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 4 ounces of heavy cream, also room temperature. We're gonna need 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, which we already have in our bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which is this guy right here, a whole bunch of sprinkles, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt.
Before we begin, we have to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
So, first thing we gotta do, we're gonna add our butter into the bowl, our oil. Haley, you wanna crack that egg? Put it in there for me?
Yes, please. We gotta make sure there's no shell in it.
Exactly. And now we're gonna put our heavy cream inside the mix and start mixing. Now, once these ingredients are all incorporated, we're gonna add the sugar.
Chef, Dad?
Alright, so we're gonna add.
Can I hold it?
Yes, grab 1 teaspoon. Just stick it right in there. Beautiful batter. Do you want to give it a taste?
Mm-hmm.
Is it yummy? It's yummy.
Mm-hmm. At this point, now we add all of these sprinkles.
Oh, yeah. And now we want to mix it in, right, Haley, with the spatula?
Yep. Look at that batter.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think that's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
All right. Look at all those colorful sprinkles. We want to fill it up 3/4 of the way. Not full, but not half.
We about to turn it on.
This recipe is good for 9 cupcakes. I'm going to bang it to make sure that all the batter settles in evenly.
So we're gonna cook that for about 18 minutes. All right? Be right back. That smells amazing. All right, so While the cupcakes are cooking, we're gonna get started on our cream cheese icing. First things first, we are going to need some cream cheese, obviously.
Yeah, because it's like cream cheese icing.
Exactly. So we're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of butter. We're gonna put that right in the bowl. Kaylee, if you would assist me. 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
All the way to the top.
Whoa,
Whoa.
it's okay. A little extra vanilla never hurt anybody. Or did it? Believe it or not, and it hurts me to say, but we are going to incorporate 3 cups of powdered sugar.
Bum, bum, bum.
Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so mommy is in the room right now, and she cannot hear, she cannot see what we're doing because it's gonna be a surprise. So next thing that we're gonna do is Rice Krispie treats, and we're gonna use that to decorate our cupcakes later on. All right. So first things first, we're gonna need 2 ounces of butter, about 1.5 cups of marshmallows, and 2.5 cups of Rice Krispie treats. This, it's a non-stick surface, okay? So we're just gonna dump all of our Rice Krispie treat mix on it. Now we gotta make sure this cools down before we do anything else with it. So I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for about 10 minutes and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna shape this into a mermaid tail for my mommy's cupcake. Let's get to work.
Turn it on.
Cupcakes are done. What are we doing now, Haley?
Now we're gonna call in mommy and surprise her with the cupcake.
Oh, she's gonna love it. Right?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Come here. Let's call her. Call her up. Call her.
Mommy!
Yes?
We have something here.
Ready?
It's
1, 2, 3.
voila. Oh no, the mermaid tail broke off.
Oh my gosh! But it still looks like a mermaid tail! Are those pearls?
Haley, my
Oh, that is so cute! Do they have eyeballs?
We could have gotten candy eyeballs, but they were more expensive.
We have to show the camera.
Yeah.
Take it out. That is so cute. And you got fruits? Is that fruits?
Yeah, because I like to keep it healthy.
Because what?
Because I like to keep it healthy.
Says the one that just made cupcakes.
Sorry, the mermaid tail broke off.
Oh, Haley, you don't have to
It's okay.
apologize.
We could fix it.
I love it. How does it go? Like,
Because I think mommy was going to bite that piece off anyway.
you bet. That's the first one I would grab.
You see that? It's a little mermaid.
Oh my gosh, that is too effing cute. You made that out of the Rice Krispies? How'd you think of that?
He thought of it.
Well, we thought about it together.
Oh.
It was a whole team effort.
Tan bello.
Here. Hi.
Thank you. Yes. What is that? A seashell? The pearl?
Oyster.
A clam?
Oysters.
The one with the pearls in it.
Oyster. And look at the manes of the unicorns.
So remember, keep cooking.
Keep eating.
But keep it healthy. Sometimes. Keep cooking. Keep eating. But keep it healthy.
We about to turn it on.